Typical ice cube trays can really be a pain in your average freezer. They lay flat, they're prone to spills, you really can't put anything on top of it, and they take up a lot of space in the freezer. So the Ice Genie is supposed to solve all of those problems. I'm really confident that the Ice Genie will live up to what it says. Just looking at it and feeling it, I think it's gonna make a ton of ice cubes. So now that my Ice Genie's filled up with water, I'm gonna put it in the freezer, come back and check on my ice cubes. The shape of the ice cubes that the Ice Genie made, they were a little unusual. They weren't big, huge chunks, and they weren't tiny little cubes. They were a little on the thin side, so I think that they will melt a little quicker and easier in a beverage. I was a little disappointed and surprised at the amount of the ice cubes that the Ice Genie made. It seemed like it made half the amount that I was expecting. I thought it was gonna make a ton, and it was like enough to maybe fill up one glass of a drink. I think the Ice Genie solved a ton of problems that someone would experience with a regular ice cube tray. I love the shape of it. It didn't spill. It was super easy to stack things on top of it in my freezer, so it saved a lot of space. And it was really easy to clean, refill, and just keep making ice cubes.